Now let's look at how all of the pacemaker cells work together in the cardiac conduction system. The cardiac conduction system is a series of interconnected pacemaker cells. These range throughout the heart and are going to transmit the rhythmic pace of the heart from the right atrium all the way down to the ventricles. This system can be grouped into three main parts. The first part is the sinoatrial node, or the SA node. This is located in the right atrium. The SA node has action potentials about 60 to 70 times per minute. The next part is called the atrioventricular node, or the AV node, which is found near the tricuspid valve in the right atrium. This one beats a little bit slower, as about 40 to 50 action potentials every minute. The last major part of the system is called the Purkinje fiber system, and this is made up of three main structures. The first is the AV bundle, which then splits off into the left and right bundle branches, into the Purkinje fibers, which then spread down and around into surrounding the ventricles of the heart. The Purkinje fiber system is going to be the slowest. It only produces about 20 action potentials every minute. Electrical signals start at the SA node and then travel to the AV node. This takes only about 0.03 seconds, and it's very quick, and it doesn't have very far to go. From the AV node, the electrical signals then transfer into the Purkinje fiber system to that AV bundle. This is actually a slower conduction and takes about 0.13 seconds. The delay in the conduction of this signal actually gives the atria time to contract and allows blood to fill into the ventricle before the signal gets to the ventricle. So this delay is useful to allow the ventricle to fill up. The last step is the Purkinje fibers. The electrical signal is going to travel from the AV bundle through the Purkinje fibers in about 0.06 seconds. This is faster. This is actually the fastest conduction. This signal is going the farthest throughout the heart, and it's still doing it very quickly. By the time the signal reaches the Purkinje fibers, it's going to cause the ventricles to contract and allow it to pump blood into the arteries. When we talk about heartbeat, we talk about something called the sinus rhythm. So sinus rhythm is the normal electrical rhythm of a heart. So if you were at a resting heart rate, this would be a sinus rhythm. The pacemaker of the heart is typically the SA node. This is because the SA node is the fastest pacemaker. It has the most action potentials per minute. And so because it is the fastest, it overrides the other pacemakers. So most of the time in a healthy heart, the SA node is the one that is pacing the heart. When the connection between the SA node and the AV node is severed, or if the SA node is not functioning, the AV node can pace the heart. It's just going to do it a little bit slower. And then in times when both of those are not working, the Purkinje fibers will attempt to pace the heart, but 20 beats per minute is not fast enough, and so this is not capable of maintaining blood flow for a living body.